In this video, I am going to be explaining the CH10 error on your LG AC and giving you some quick tips that might help you fix this error on any LG AC you have. Now, like you already know, LG ACs usually show some error codes that might help you or even your engineer fix the AC whenever it runs into any issue, and the CH10 error basically indicates that the fan motor of your LG AC is not working. Now, the fan motor is basically this fan blowing from inside of the AC over here. If you notice, there is actually a fan inside of the AC that blows out cool air from inside of the AC to inside of your room, and whenever this fan motor is not working, your LG AC will start showing the CH10 error. Now, the first step you might actually want to try to fix this issue is to just open up the AC from over here and then see if you can just flip through the fan and see if there is actually anything that is stopping it from working, or if it is just too much of the dust inside of it that is stopping the fan motor from working. Now, that is just the easiest thing you can do. Now, in my own case, what actually caused this issue was the fact that a cable that actually connects the fan motor to the power inside of the AC panel was damaged, and basically I had to replace that particular cable and it started working again. I didn't do it myself, so I had to take it to an LG professional. But just so you know, there are basically three things that might be causing this issue. One is the fact that there is too much of dust inside of the fan motor, and it is basically stopping the AC fan motor from, rolling and bringing out air from inside of the AC to inside of your room. Another thing that might actually be causing the issue is if the cable that actually connects the fan motor to maybe the panel of the AC or just the power source that actually powers the fan motor is not working. In that particular case, you're going to get the CH10 error. And for that, what will actually solve your problem is to simply just go ahead and change the cable. Another thing that might actually cause this issue on any AC you have is if you have a damaged panel on your LG AC. Now, in this case, there will actually be no power going into the fan motor, and as such, the fan motor will not even work, and then you're going to get the CH10 error on the LG AC. Now, the simplest thing you can actually do for yourself if you're not tech inclined is to simply just open up this panel over here and then try rolling the fan motor and see whether it works or if it is just dust that is stopping it from working. Aside from that, you might just want to take it to your engineer or just take it to the LG service center, because they will definitely know more about the CH10 error and then just know how to make the fan motor of your LG AC start working again. And that is basically how to fix the CH10 error on any LG AC. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.